That's obviously a bottle tree, lemongrass, mulberry. Desert rose, frangipani. I think that's a wild raspberry. Neem tree, they're growing like wildfire. Gum tree. That's the ones that get the pink flowers with the big pods that every lawnmower man don't like because they make a bit of a mess. Another mulberry tree. And there's a gumby. And believe it or not, all these trees are less than a year old. Now the desert rose. Curry plant. And again, another garden, and it's less than 10 months old. So for a barren block, it seems to, be kind to plants. Now, I thought olives were fairly drought tolerant. This one's going all right, but the other one died. And I'm not sure if it got a bug or got too much water. Anyway. So this is supposed to be my big hedge, but they don't seem to be growing as well as I thought they would be. Now these two, they'll be a year and a half old. They're Illawarra flame trees. And this one's a narrow leafed bottle tree. There's me macadamia tree. Lemongrass going off. Me fig tree. It's a black one. It's got fruit already. Don't know if they'll ripen. This is my absolute favourite tree, lemon scented tea tree. Frangipani. Mango tree. plant that the name escapes me at the moment. There's Willem. He loves starring in these videos. I don't know what these are called off the top of my head, except we used to call them Christmas trees. We had 2 of them at the back of our place, and I thought I'd attempt to grow them. There's just a bottle tree, or a broad-leafed bottle tree. I'll come along here. Food scraps. There's my tomato plant. Starting to get a few tomatoes on it. There's another one. Bottle tree, I mean. Another bottle tree. Another lemon scented tea tree. These trees, they're neem trees, N-E-E-M. And they seem to go off. They love it here. These 2 are a few months younger than that one. But I have pruned them a bit because they were covering the rest of the natives in this garden. There's another one. I had 2 of them. That one obviously no good. And that one is looking sick. Right, these things, apparently they're hard to grow, what I've seen on the internet. But yeah, they grow like weeds here. Same with those flowers. There's neem trees there. I've been meaning to pull out and transplant because they are pretty much choking that bottle tree. Another good thing is they seem to be fairly pest resistant as well. And I've got a few hibiscus in here, which must have the best tasting leaves because grasshoppers, they just love them. And I think there's a geranium in there. I'll go over here. If you watched the video yesterday, you've probably seen my front hedging garden type thing. And I've pruned these back that many times and they just seem to go right off. So if you're looking for fast growing plants, they're the ones. And I don't know what that is. But I rescued that from home, Mum's place, and just stuck it in the ground and she seems to be growing. Bottle brush and my citrus. I don't think these are going to get any good. I don't know whether to pull them off and trim it back. that looks promising. And yeah, I don't know what these are. That could be an orange. That might be a mandarin. This is my lemon tree. It has fruited, but I transplanted it from up there because it was getting choked out by all those other fast growing plants. So I moved it here, and it hasn't been well. I think that's a mandarin tree, and both these are lemons because I've heard that lemons grow anywhere. And here's another frangipani, and yeah, they just love it here. Now I should have kept the little cards, but one of these is a miracle fruit. Oh, here we go. That must be my miracle fruit. That's my cinnamon myrtle. This is another fig tree. My grandma grew figs in her yard. I think it might be too hot, but it seems to be thriving. Another mulberry tree. And I don't know if anyone will recognise that one, but that's a pomegranate. And I recognise those. Sorry for the filming. I don't know if they're flowers or actual fruit. And another mango. That's a, what is it thing? An R2E2. I forget the common name for that. And just over here, I've got stuff I haven't planted out. Aloe vera. This stuff. Good for burns, etc. Triangle palms. More of these canna lilies. They're probably only 2, 3, maybe 4 months old. I think it's called Chinese spice or Chinese 5 spice. And I just thought I'd grow a few flowers, mostly geraniums and whatever this weed flower is. They just grow everywhere if you want them to or not. And I'm deciding where to plant that one. Righto, once again I'll end this video at these flowers. See you next time.